Thank you for joining me, everyone. This is Rachel Doe back with another video. I am an actor and entertainer currently based in Tokyo, but I am on a long weekend here in Hong Kong. I am staying at the Hilton Garden Inn Mong Kok. This area was described by a local friend here as grungy cool. I wanted to stay Hilton for this trip. I'm just here at the hotel for 2 nights. Yesterday, I visited my friends at Hong Kong Disneyland, and then today I'm gonna hit up Central and then meet up for dinner, so I just kind of picked a random place in the middle. Getting here was pretty easy, and when I booked it, it seemed like there were a lot of train stations around. However, last night, after I'd flown overnight from work and then done a whole Disney park day, the 15-minute walk felt like so much longer, especially trying to find it in the dark. But it is pretty easy to find. It's at 2 Soy Street here, and again, I came from the Olympic Station, so you can do most of the walk through the local malls, which is nice. I also walked to 7-Eleven last night to have some snacks when I got back here as my dinner, so that's also good to know. And now let's get into the room tour. This is a king guest room, high floor, and for the 2 nights I paid about $270 US. I do have one disappointment about my stay, and that's because I booked here hoping to use the hotel rooftop pool, especially in Hong Kong, a city full of high-rises, but it has been closed, I think, for my whole stay. There was a typhoon here last week. I know how it is with crazy weather and tropical storms, but there is no tropical storm right now, so I hope they reopen it at least tonight, but we'll have to see. There's also an on-site restaurant, and there's no room service at this hotel. So first on the right is the bathroom. It is a sliding door, but the sliding door doubles as a full-length mirror. We have excellent lighting in this bathroom. We have the LED panel right here inside the mirror. A really nice deep sink. And there is tons of counter space here. We have an outlet for shavers only, and we have the shared toiletries. These are really nice shared toiletries. These are Peter Thomas Roth. We have a hand wash and a body lotion. Some rinse cups here. And of course, toothbrush and toothpaste. These are actually toothpaste tablets and a vanity kit. On the side, we have a Toto toilet. Under the sink are the towels and a bath mat. This is the shower, and it's definitely a bit rough around the edges. They even have a sign here, so you should use the mat if you're worried. We do have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. You can see down here the tile is chipped. Removable hangers, ironing board, and tons of space. Next to the closet is the fridge. It was already on and cold when I got here. We have some more storage here. And of course the coffee bar. I will not be touching this, but it is there if you want it. And they provided me 2 of these cans of water. They also gave me this at the front desk, which at first was exciting because it looks like there's a lot in there. However, it was just 2 snacks, and I'm allergic to both of them, and a soda water and a Coke Zero, so pretty random. Then over here we have our luggage storage space. This is the air conditioner, and it is pretty loud. It's not going to bother me at all, but I know some people prefer the sound of a fan on and some people don't. So just something to take note of. It's a really fun couch here with the view. I love that there's the Hong Kong skyline behind the headboard. I already checked the bed, so it's a little bit messed up. All clean, everything looks great. Over here we have the lights. So you control day and night. The night light is down here. And there is the Hong Kong outlet. Make sure you have something that plugs into this. But even if you don't, there are some USB ports here on the other side. And we have even more plugs over here by the desk. It also looks like they provide a charging cable.